Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Dyson 360 Vis Nav. If you're interested in the Dyson 360 Vis Nav, the link to it will be in the video description, where we'll have links to our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum cleaner picks, as well as our daily vacuum deals website. And you can shop and use our new robot vacuum comparison tool, so be sure to check that out. So in the Dyson app, we're going to select the vacuum that we want to reset. And up at the top, there's a little settings gear icon in the right-hand corner to the left of the envelope. So we want to select that and go to your robot settings. And then down at the bottom, if you want to remove it, you'll not be able to use it with the My Dyson app. That's a little warning there, but we want to select remove robot. So if you select remove, this will remove the robot from the app and reset the Wi-Fi settings. Other users will need to reconnect to start using it again. This will also remove information such as activity and maps from the robot in the Dyson network. So this is how you're going to factory reset it. You're going to hit that purple remove button, and then your vacuum will be reset. And you'll have to go through the initial startup process again by setting it up within the app. So that's how you're going to do it. If you want to get a nice clean slate for your Dyson 360 Vis Nav, you have to use the app and remove it right here in your account. So again, just a refresher, up at the top, hit the settings gear icon, your robot settings, down at the very bottom, remove robot, hit remove, and then you can read that, and then purple remove button at the bottom, bingo, hit that, then your vacuum is reset.